Hey guys, thanks for joining me. And today I'm going to be using my brush pen to sketch this reference here. So this is a stylized sketch. I'm not trying to get it perfect. To get the construction lines, we're going to draw just the shapes with some little lines to divide up the shapes. So the head, the white blouse, the dark pants and the arms coming down. So this is a really good way if you don't want to use pencil. So that's where the eyebrows are. So between the hairline and the chin, 1/3 down. And then another third down for the nose. Make sure in the middle you've got that shape. Sort of, there's a ball on the end of the nose. A bit darker on the right hand side, the bridge of the nose. Lips, top of the lips there, and then the split between the lips. That's the main bit of the mouth that makes it look good. And then we can see if the chin is right. So reform that a bit. Now up to the eye, in the top third between the brow and the bottom of the nose. And I'll make the corners of the eyes on both sides, and once again using tiny little lines, and then I can compare on both sides if I've got it right. There's a dark bit on the bottom, and then the hair was a bit further away than it should be. Now how about I darken this bit of value there. It's nice to have these little gaps. Now darken up those eyebrows, drawing the iris and the little pupils. Because of these lines are very sketchy already, it seems a bit easier to just add a few more thicker lines. And in some areas I don't even need to go over these construction lines. So there's a pinch point here, so all the lines go towards that pinch point. Darker shadows in here. It's important to have that balance between dark lines and light detail lines. Getting down to the arm. I won't draw too much of the hand. It's very rough. First I got my water brush pen with a bit of ink in it, and this will add some nice gradients just here, just some shading, very hard shadows, some nice wisps of hair. So with this brush pen it's got a nice fine tip. So I switched to this because it will be a bit softer. It's also a bit darker. Just got some freckles. And I like the texture of a pencil. The straight ink wash is nice, but not as nice as adding a bit of texture, in my opinion. See, I used the construction lines here, still got some gaps. Okay, I've got my fine liner. I'm going to add an ink wash to the back behind the sketch to help some of these lighter areas stand out. So I can dip the end of the brush, because I've already added water to the page, I can bleed it out. Okay guys, that's the final sketch. Thanks so much for following along. Hope you enjoyed this one. If you wanted to follow along with another tutorial, here's one just here. Okay. See you in the next one.